Hello, this is Gwen from Gwen the Trash Witch. Happy Sunday. It's also, besides being a beautiful Sunday, it is April 12th. And on the 12th of every month, Penny at Penny's Crafty Creations holds another wonderful open collab. And that is where we alter envelopes. She does give us a prompt each month, and those can be found on her channel, which will be linked below. But this month it was fairies. So I pulled out Jovi's wonderful digital kit that she created. It is called Celestial Nights, and we have been loving using it in lunar illuminations. So I thought it could be used for fairies, because in that kit there are multiple images of fairies, and they're out on the moon and in space, and this kit is just absolutely beautiful. So I will link it below. I'll link Jovi's Etsy shop, and it will take you straight to the kit if you're interested. But let's take a look also at what I made for the wonderful hashtag, which I haven't said yet, is called 12 on 12. So this is my envelope for this month, and it is built on a beautiful blue envelope that is from a pack from Hobby Lobby. I did want to ink it in my now famous Villainous Potion purple ink, because in the kit, in the printables, there's a lot of purple. So the that ink brings out that purple, and it's just so very, very pretty. Also, besides the kit, I got out all my toys. So we've got some glitter pen here. I found that I had some metallic glitter paint. This is Crafters Deco Art paint. After I inked, I did put the paint around the edges, and it did activate the ink a little bit, so we have a nice blending of the Villainous Potion. There is gold stickles, because you can't have enough sparkle. And also stardust stickles. Let's see, what else did I use here? Oh, yep. I took this fun metallic thread, and I did loop it behind the fairy and the crescent moon. I raised her up slightly so she would have some dimension on this page, and with that I just used the foam tape that comes from Dollar Tree. Now, these fun additional scraps I used, this was called tissue paper, but it's not tissue. It's like a foiling, but it does have this wonderful holographic sparkle. There's red, and then there is the one that I use that just has the silvers and the different holographic shades. So that's on there. And then I have this really fun paper that a neighbor gave me. I don't know what it is. It's almost like a cardboard, but it's gold, and it's got these wonderful creases in it that makes these lines. So I have a nice big piece of that, and I'd never used it. So I went in and just took the tiniest of pieces, but I think it really adds and makes more interest, more layering, which I love to do. Now, this will be used in a journal. I think I mentioned, after seeing Jovi's kit and all these fun celestial fairies, that it would be nice to make a celestial fairy journal. So with that in mind, I created this piece of ephemera. So it will get glued in or tucked in. Because I've decorated here, I probably won't glue the flap in, but if it does do a flip up, then I've got the back ready to embellish. So just a few more of those pieces, a little tuck inside here so that the white of the envelope doesn't show, and it's all inked. So when it gets put into use, I'll know for sure how the orientation will be and exactly how it's being used, so I'll know how to embellish the back side. Also, I forgot to mention, I took another piece from, it actually was attached to this fairy, but I cut this piece off, and then again did the glitter glue, glitter, is it a pen? I don't know. This little tube of glitter and put it on the lanterns, and then some of the stickles on the plants. So yeah, and then pop that up as well. So I was quite pleased with all the different sparkle. I love that Wink of Stella on her wings and on her dress. It really gives it a nice sheer look. She looks very translucent up there. And then gold metallic pen was also used. I told you I threw all the toys at this piece. And I outlined the moon, gave it a little metallic. I might want to do a little bit more to the moon, but I wanted her to stand out. So I didn't put the Wink of Stella on that so that she would be the focal point and add that dimension and make her stand out a little more. So there we go. Thank you so much for joining. It is a little wet still, but I wanted to make sure I got this up and posted because it is the 12th, and I don't know about you all, but these dates just keep popping up and coming so fast. I'm not sure what's happening, but if I don't look at my calendar every day, it will just all come and go before I even realize what's happening. So thank you for those of you that have already shared your 12 on 12s for today. It gave me the nudge like, oh yeah, it's time. And I don't want to miss this collab because it is such a fun one for making ephemera that we definitely can use in our journal makes or anything that you're doing. It doesn't have to be a journal. I saw Penny this morning is doing her envelopes a little bit different now. She's making them designed so she can use them in Happy Mail. So another wonderful idea for decorating your envelopes. And she made 3, so you can make more than one. Before I sign off, as I'm gathering all these supplies so that you can take a second look at them, I want to say thank you for all those wonderful congratulatory wishes yesterday, and I just appreciate you all so much. I wish they're I mean they're there, but I love them so much. It's like so sweet and so supportive that, you know, it's like I want to print them out and make sure I have them for all of the rest of my time here on Earth. But okay, now I'm just really getting sappy, as I usually do at the end of every video. So I'm going to sign off, say a big, huge thank you to all of you. I can't thank you enough. I need to thank you in every video, but I do mean it sincerely. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you like this make for 12 on 12. Go check out Penny. And like I said before, the link to Jovi's Etsy channel will be there in case you want to go check out this wonderful kit. Okay, everyone, have a great day, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.